As the Confucius saying goes, Ni hao yin qing ying, or hello Enginehawk, shaking up the world of motorcycle gear, following the footsteps of older sibling Rurok. As long as they're not following the footsteps of the weird dude at the end of the street who looks like Gollum and eats birdseed, that would be strange. Let's unbox Ying Qing Ying's Knucklehead jacket. Is it a world beater or more like a knuckle punch to the Gao One? Now that would be a bit of pain to the cookies and cream. Hopefully I don't end up slicing off a sleeve. The anticipation is killing me, even my Gao One are tensing up. And the Enginehawk revolution is starting. Come join the revolution, comrades. They give you some instructions. Post on social media, share your unboxing experience. Let's see if they acknowledge this post. And the unboxing experience continues. I feel like I've been unboxing for longer than this parcel took to arrive from the UK. I've got a beard now. I was clean shaven when I started unwrapping. Nice, a bonus bag. And the Gao One theme continues. And still more wrapping. I feel like it's been packaged by Gandalf. And finally, here it is. Come to me, oh lovely one. I now present the Knucklehead. Okay, let's go through the features of the jacket. A couple of zippers on the cuffs for when your wrists get too sweaty. No one likes sweaty wrists. Plenty of pockets on this jacket. There's a couple of hip pockets here, again with zippers. Great for birdseed for those longer rides. A couple of button down chest pockets, handy for storing those chesticles. Definitely need some ideas on what to use all these pockets for. Heavy duty buttons and a zippered front. And then on the insides of the jacket there's a thin thermo liner. We'll see how effective that is. A couple of internal zips for Enginehawk's thermal bomber and vest. And then there are two large inside pockets. These are useful. That's where I'll store my mobile phone when riding, or a suitcase when I'm heading away on holiday. And this is the SassTech back armour. Very thin but flexible. Just need to put that into its pocket. And a bit of a bonus, when you buy a jacket, this turned out to be a little lanyard. Let's head out for a ride. The Knucklehead isn't a tablecloth, it's a rider's jacket. First thing I'll comment on is the weight of the jacket. It feels solid, but the armour, you can barely tell you're wearing any. The armour is thin and flexible.
Well, it's about 11 degrees Celsius and this jacket blocks out the wind really well. Not getting any wind chill at all. I'm not cold, but I'm not hot either. I reckon for a Melbourne winter, there's no need for the kind of zipping bomber thermal or the thermal vest. I've got a long sleeve t-shirt underneath and I'm fine.
The trade-off for making jackets that are as stylish off the bike as they are on it is adjustability. Most jackets, at least the textile ones that I usually wear, have straps on the sleeves and waist to adjust the fit. Make the jacket fit closely to the body. You don't get that on the Knucklehead or any of the other Enginehawk jackets, I'm pretty sure. But that is a minor gripe. This is a well-made jacket, looks great, feels great, makes me feel like my Gao One are made of steel, and the jacket is warm enough for a Melbourne winter. I imagine it won't get much use in the summer though.
I miss the days when I could be carried around like that.
So here's my complete list of pros and cons. Pro 1, killer styling. I've never looked better. I have strangers coming up to me in the street saying I've never looked better. Pro 2, the armour. It's crazy light and flexible. The elbow armour is the best sized armour I've come across, and the pockets have been put in the exact right places. No more shoulder armour sitting on your bicep. Pro 3, sturdy snap buttons, so easy you can adjust which cuff button you use with your gloves on. I challenge you to putting a button through a buttonhole with gloves on, the equivalent of sprinting 100 metres in flippers. Shouldn't be attempted and you end up looking really stupid. Pro 4, it's going to keep you warm. Thermalite liner and denim that blocks out the wind. Pro 5, plenty of storage options with 6 pockets, so many you're going to forget which one you put your house keys in. And the cons. Con 1, no reflective panels. If being seen at night is a high priority, you may have concerns. Con 2, adjustability. There isn't much. Con 3, I won't be able to wear it in summer. It's a cooler weather jacket. I'm being picky now, that's it. Anyway, hope you got something out of this video, even if it was just learning a couple of words in Mandarin Chinese. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet!